Now I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 2, page number 42, and today's topic is the fox and the goat. It's actually a comprehension. We know the rules of comprehension. First time we have to read the extract, and after that we have to answer this question. So let's start to read. Here the story is, while reaching down to drink the water in a well one day, a fox fell in. Try as he would, he could not get out again because the walls of the well were too high. Not long after, a goat came along. Seeing the fox down there, he asked him the reason why. "I am enjoying the cool, pure water," replied the fox. "Wouldn't you like to jump down and taste it?" Without stopping to think, the foolish old goat jumped down. No sooner had he reached the bottom than the cunning old fox leaped onto his back and scrambled to the top. Looking down at the unhappy goat, the fox laughed and said, "Next time, friend goat, be sure to look before you leap." Aesop's Fables. So interesting story. Here we are getting some question. Let's try to answer this. First one, what did the fox have to do before he could drink the water in the well? We can write the answer here. Had to inside the wall. Inside the well. Inside the well before he could drink the water. Before he could drink the water. Drink the water. 2 number. What happened to him while he was doing this? He fell into the well. So we can write 2 number. The answer is he fell into the well. 3 number. Why could he not get out of the well? 3 number answer we can write in this place. That is, he could not get out. Could not get out of the well. He could not get out of the well because the walls were too high. Phone number. What did the goat ask the fox? Phone number we can write in this place. The answer is the goat asked the fox why he was down the well. Down the well. 5 number. What was the answer given by the fox? Here we can see he asked him the reason why. "I'm enjoying the cool, pure water," replied the fox. "Wouldn't you like to jump down and taste it?" So answer will be 5 number. Here I'm going to write the answer the fox gave. The answer the fox gave, that he was enjoying the cool, pure water. Pure water. 6 number. What did the goat do when the fox asked him to try the water? Without stopping to think, the foolish old goat jumped down. So what we can write? 6 number in this place we can write, without stopping to think, jumped down into the well. Into the well. 7 number, how did the fox get to the top again? The answer we can write 7 number answer here in this place. We can write the fox leaped onto the goat's back, onto the goat's back, and scrambled to the top. And scrambled to the top. Now 8 number, what did he tell the goat to do the next time? 8 number, he told the goat to look before he leaped. So today we have done page number 42 from Junior English Book 2, and today we have done a comprehension, that is the fox and the goat. Next day we will do page number 43. Bye for today.